Welcome back to the part 2 of our Christmas fruitcake recipe. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers, for tuning in. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you for joining us. The first component you need for our Christmas fruitcake recipe is our soaked dry fruit. If you haven't seen the recipe on how to soak your fruit, please, I will leave a link in the comment section or in the description box. You need to check this recipe out. It is a very simple way to soak your fruit in no time. 24 hours after soaking your fruit, mine was some days after. Pour in the quantity you need in a bowl and set aside. Now we'll continue with our Christmas fruit cake recipe. Use a hand mixer or standard mixer. You can as well go for whisk. Add in your room temperature butter and your brown sugar. Let all the ingredients you will use for this recipe be on a room temperature. The egg has to be room temperature, okay? First, you want to whisk your butter and your brown sugar until they are nice, well creamed. I will leave you to enjoy the rest of the video for now. The purpose of spreading out some flour in your fruit first before adding to your mixture is to make all the fruit spread out more evenly in your cake. If not, they might end up settling at the bottom of your cake. Adding apple puree in this recipe is a special one. The combination of the apple puree, cinnamon powder, and honey will leave you with nothing else but a super delicious taste and a very moist Christmas fruit cake. So please do not miss the apple puree in this recipe. After 1 hour 30 minutes, my cake is out of the oven looking very good. The first thing you want to do is to insert a skewers to check if your cake is dry. When the skewers or fork comes out dry, that shows your cake is well baked. Then you want to feed in with some honey mixed with orange juice, apple juice, or rum. It is your choice, okay? And then you want to let it completely cool down for some time, then wrap it. One thing you do not want to do is to cut your cake that same day. Please do not cut your cake that same day. You just want to let it rest. And look at those natural juice running out of those cake, guys. It looks super moist and delicious. Okay, so go ahead and wrap and let it rest for at least 24 hours. 24 hours later, guys, this cake is a bunch of joy. What I mean by bunch of joy is the honey, the apple puree, and all the goodies of the fruit reminds you of nothing but the joy of Christmas. So thank you so much guys for tuning in, for watching up to this time. I appreciate so much. Please go ahead and like this video if you haven't done so. Share with your loved ones. Okay, thank you all so much. And leave your comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Watching this video from here, you can see how super moist this cake came out. It is super moist and nobody would say no. If you think you don't eat fruit cake, then give this a try. Or if you come across any, give it a try with this recipe. It is super good. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I wish you compliment all this is a Merry Christmas in advance you all. Thank you all. Please don't go without liking and see you in my next one. Bye for now.